Can you put leather in the washing machine? You shouldn't put leather of any type in the washing machine as it will be damaged by prolonged water exposure. Whereas most clothes are made from woven fabric, leather is made from animal hide. As such, it reacts differently to water, so it isn't suitable for machine washing. Leather needs oil to remain supple. When leather gets wet, the natural oils in it bind to water molecules. As the water evaporates, it draws the oil out of the leather. The result is that the leather itself dries out and goes brittle, which leads to cracking. Depending on the extent of the damage, it's possible to fix water-damaged leather. However, a pair of leather shoes that have gone through the washing machine will likely be beyond saving because it's simply too much water exposure. To clean leather, you should use a specialist leather cleaning product and follow the instructions on the packet. Leather requires a bit more care than fabric-based items. While all cleaning must be done by hand, it can actually be quite a relaxing job. I hope this video has helped. Don't forget to subscribe for more laundry, washing machine and home care tips. Thanks for watching.